Hey my lovelies, welcome back. This is your girl Nat here. So today's video, guys, is all about aloe vera goodness. Okay, aloe vera goodness for extreme moisture for your hair. This is great for your hair, guys, when your hair is all brittly and looks dry and thirsty and your hair looks like it's about to break. Okay guys, this is exactly what you need. Okay, so guys, before we go into the video though, I would like to say a big welcome to anybody who is new here. Hey honey, you are welcome. My name is Nad. You're welcome to this channel. Okay, and to all my beautiful, lovely, amazing subscribers, hey bulls, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for staying with this girl here. Thank you. Okay guys, so we're going to go right into the video now. I start by getting my aloe vera plant. Okay, and I'm not going anywhere far to get my plant than my own house for my own homegrown aloe vera leaves. Okay, now as you can see guys, I start by cutting out the leaves from the plant which the girls call Vera. So Vera is allowed me to take some of her leaves today, so I start by washing it. Now you want to give it a very good wash, guys, because it can be quite itchy. Some people actually soak it overnight, okay, to avoid the itch, but I don't itch when I use it, so I'm fine. I just give it a good wash and I'm good to go. Now guys, allow me to tell you some really good things about aloe vera. So if you're not using it, you want to go right and get some aloe vera for your hair. Okay, aloe vera reduces dandruff and unblocks hair follicles. Okay, now aloe vera has plenty of vitamins and minerals, and it has vitamin A, it has vitamin E, it has vitamin C too. So it's amazing for your hair. Now guys, as you can see, I'm cutting out the gel from the leaves. Okay, I cut the sides, which is the prickly sides. You want to make sure you cut off those ones because it can be quite prickly, and then you can use the knife to take out the gel. Now I'm using a knife here. Normally you want to use a spoon, but these aloe veras are not the big thick ones, so I can just go with the knife and I'm good to go. Okay, now I was talking about the goodness of aloe vera. Aloe vera also contains what is called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Okay, it also treats hair loss. Now it has vitamin B12 and folic acid. Both of them can keep your hair from falling out. So guys, look at that. Aloe vera is brilliant. Give it a try. Okay, I start by mashing out, okay, the aloe vera gel. Okay, normally I will blend this, but I'm not blending because it's not a lot. I'm not using a lot today, so I'm just mashing it out, and then I'll go for any old Tide or cheesecloth, nothing fancy, just something old that you don't need, and just sieve out the mashed gel. Okay, now doing this, you want to be very gentle, guys. You want to be very gentle because the Tide can break, the cheesecloth can break if you're not gentle. Now I'm fast forwarding here, so you would think I'm rushing, but no, I'm doing it. I'm being very gentle here. Okay, and once you get your what you're looking for, the gel, you don't need to throw away the rest. You can use it for I use it for my olive oil. I use it to make olive oil, and also the rest of the aloe vera leaf, I cut the ends. I'm not throwing them away. I'm going to use them for my olive oil. Now look at this, look at this goodness, guys. Look at that goodness. Amazing, beautiful. I also go for my avocado. Now guys, at this moment I just wanted to eat this avocado. It looks so good. Look at this, because I love avocados, but I had to control myself because I need them for the hair mask. Okay, else there'll be no hair mask, so I had to control myself. Anyway, I'm cutting out all the 4 because it is for myself and the girls, so we need a lot of avocados. So that goes also in the blender, and I come in with my amazing Jamaican black castor oil. Now guys, this thing here has been wicked for our family. It's been amazing. It's been one of the secrets of hair growth. Jamaican black castor is amazing. If you haven't tried it, try it. Jamaica black castor oil. Black castor oil actually locks moisture in your hair and gives it strength needed, okay, to fight the harsh weather conditions, also the harsh weather the environment, and softens your hair. Okay, I also go in with my olive oil, guys. Olive oil penetrate the hair, moisturizing the hair, and treat dandruff and add shine to your hair. So these things are amazing. I then go in with my good aloe vera gel. Okay, my aloe vera comes in as well. I give it a good blend. Okay, and now look at that, guys. Look at this. Looks beautiful, looks so yummy. You want to even eat it, but no, guys, you can't eat it. Okay, this thing here is amazing for your hair, guys. With all these ingredients in your hair, guys, your hair has no reason not to grow. It has to grow. Now, as you can see, guys, my daughter's hair is so dry, so brittly, so thirsty, it looks like it's just gonna break. Okay, and this is exactly what it needs. This mask is exactly what it needs to treat it. Now they're going back to school in a few days, so to prepare their hair for school, there's no better way to start by giving the hair a good treatment. So this is exactly what we're doing. Okay, now guys, you want to make sure you give your hair a good amount of the mask. Okay, you want to start from the root, because the root is the new growth, and you want to make sure the new growth get the treatment. And then another most important part is the ends, because don't forget, the ends is the most damaged part of your hair. So you give it a good amount. Okay, and also make sure that you apply the mask a good amount on the ends and working it in, because don't forget, the ends is the most exposed and most damaged part. Okay, now doing this, guys, you want to be very careful, because it can get very messy and everywhere. You will notice my client was telling me at a point, because she was warning me not to mess her face with it. So you got to be very careful here with the mask. Okay, and look at that, guys. It's amazing. Look at the curl definition here. You can see it's already transforming the hair. It's working on the hair already, and this is exactly what you need in your hair. Okay, I'm gonna finish it all. I'm gonna make sure it's all in the hair. Every part of the hair gets this good hair mask. Okay, make sure every part of it is you know, it's got a good amount in there. And once you will see later that after a few hours, the mask is, the hair absorbed it. It sucks the mask in because the hair is so thirsty. And so after a couple of hours, once I take off this bag, nothing fancy, just an old bag, just cover it. When you take it off, you will notice the mask, or the green bit, most of it is disappeared, because the hair is sucked it in. Look at that. That's how good it is. Okay, and you need this for your hair. So I'm going to give it a wash, guys. Okay, you're going to give it a wash, and then you see, I normally keep in for 3, 4, 5 hours, depends on her mood. But for me as an adult, I can keep it so the next day. Just give it a good cover it properly, so you can sleep in it, and it will give you good results. Now guys, I've washed it, and look at that, no residue left in there at all the mask is washed out, so don't worry about that bit. Okay, give it a good wash and you're good to go. And then all I do, I put it in, you know, twist. As you can see, the hair looks healthy, shiny, it looks amazing, it looks good. It's got a good amount of mask in it, and it's ready to go into protective style. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Okay, give this a try, guys, and let me know how it goes. Okay, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much. And please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and set your notifications, guys, so when I put a video up, it'll come straight to you. Thank you so much for all our new subbies as well. We got a lot of new subbies since our last haul video, so thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, and take care. God bless. Bye.